1 billion years from now, look for New York. It's gone. Look for the Great Wall of China. Gone. The pyramids? Probably gone too. Every country you've ever known, every road you've traveled, every city humans ever built could be completely unrecognizable. But surely something would survive. Something that proves 8 billion humans once dominated this planet. So, if humanity disappeared today, what would still be left of us 1 billion years from now? Let's start with our cities. They wouldn't stand a chance. Without maintenance, water would enter buildings, steel would rust, concrete would crack, plants would invade streets, storms, floods, freezing, and heat would slowly tear structures apart. Within thousands of years, most recognizable modern buildings would be ruins. Given enough geological time, even those ruins would disappear. But perhaps our strongest monuments could survive. What about the pyramids? They're massive, made from millions of blocks of stone, and they've already survived for thousands of years. But 1 billion years is almost impossible to comprehend. That's roughly 200,000 times longer than the pyramids have existed so far. Wind, rain, temperature changes, earthquakes, burial, erosion, and geological processes would have an enormous amount of time to destroy or transform them. Eventually, even the pyramids would almost certainly stop looking like pyramids. What about things underground? Deep mines, bunkers, subway tunnels, nuclear waste facilities. These might survive longer because they're protected from surface weather. But Earth itself isn't stationary. Tectonic plates move. Rock is buried. Mountains rise, continents collide and separate. Ocean floors are recycled back into Earth's mantle at subduction zones. Over hundreds of millions of years, the geological map of Earth can be rewritten. A place that's dry land today could eventually lie beneath an ocean. A seabed could become part of a mountain range. Entire regions could be buried, crushed, heated, or eroded away. So perhaps we need to stop looking for human structures and start looking for human chemistry. Our civilization has changed Earth's environment in ways that can become recorded in sediments. We've burned enormous quantities of fossil fuels, produced plastics, moved metals around the planet, created artificial radioactive materials, changed ecosystems, and caused species to spread into places they never previously inhabited. Over geological time, many individual materials would break down or transform, but unusual chemical and fossil signatures could potentially become incorporated into rock. A future geologist might not find a city, but they might find a strange geological boundary, a layer indicating that something dramatic happened on Earth during our era. However, 1 billion years gives plate tectonics and erosion an extraordinary amount of time to recycle even geological evidence. So if we're looking for something unmistakably manufactured by humans, Earth may actually be the wrong place to search. Look up. The moon has no rain, no rivers, no forests, and no plate tectonics like Earth's constantly recycling crust. Humans have left equipment there. Lunar landers, scientific instruments, rovers, and other hardware. But even the moon isn't perfectly preserved. Micrometeorites constantly strike its surface. Radiation damages materials. Temperature swings are extreme. Over enormous timescales, dust is churned and surfaces are gradually altered. After 1 billion years, our lunar artifacts could be heavily damaged, fragmented, or buried, but traces might still remain. Then, there are the objects we've sent even farther away. Voyager 1. Voyager 2, Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, New Horizons. These spacecraft are escaping the solar system. Their electronics will die, their instruments will become silent. But the spacecraft themselves will continue traveling through interstellar space. There is almost nothing out there. The distances between stars are enormous. That gives some spacecraft a chance of surviving for extraordinary lengths of time. although collisions with dust, radiation, and extremely rare encounters could gradually damage them. And some carry something special. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 each carry a golden record, a message from humanity. Images, sounds, music, greetings, information about Earth. We created them for the possibility that someday something might find them. Now imagine 1 billion years have passed. Earth itself would be dramatically different. The continents would have moved into configurations we cannot confidently predict. Many familiar species would be gone. New ones could have evolved, and the sun would be brighter than it is today. Over such immense timescales, that increasing solar brightness is expected to make Earth progressively less hospitable to complex life and eventually threaten the long-term stability of surface liquid water. Humanity's entire history, from the first civilizations to modern technology, would represent an almost invisible instant in Earth's past. Our languages could be gone, our borders meaningless, our cities erased. But somewhere between the stars, a small spacecraft might still be moving, its creators gone, its planet transformed, its original mission forgotten, and attached to it a golden disk carrying the sounds of a world that existed 1 billion years earlier. So what will remain of humanity after 1 billion years? Maybe almost nothing recognizable on Earth. Perhaps some strange geological fingerprints, possibly remnants on the moon. But our longest-lasting monuments may be the machines we deliberately threw into the darkness, tiny pieces of metal, carrying evidence that, for one incredibly brief moment in cosmic history, we were here,